In case you haven't seen, there's new iPhone 13s in green. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, indeed, we do have brand new iPhone colors for both the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. With the iPhone 13, it's just your standard green color, but a new green color. And then on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, we do have a new Alpine Green color. So I'm very excited to see both of these, check both of them out. But first things first, I do want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Apple for actually sending over these iPhones for me to check out. Appreciate you, Apple. With that having been said, let's get to it. Of course, we do have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green, so time to check this baby out. Okay, so initial thoughts, I'm a much bigger fan of the green colors of the iPhone 13s than I thought I was going to be. For those of you who know me, you know this is the first year I've actually ventured outside of the space gray color or whatever the equivalent is available for the iPhone 13 Pro, and that's because I went with the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max this year. Did not expect myself to actually do that, but I went for it. And I'm so glad I did. I still think this is the prettiest iPhone color I've personally ever seen. So I'm very happy with the green and the Alpine Green colors here on the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro Max because they're a lot subtler than I thought they were going to be. Definitely not as in your face of a shade of green as I thought. I will say the green color of the iPhone 13 over here is a lot more noticeable of a green. It's a darker green, more of like a forest green, as opposed to the slightly lighter shade of green that you're getting on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is almost like a mint green, like a dark mint green, if you will, especially when you consider the shiny stainless steel sides of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And then of course with the camera housing, you do have a darker matte finish green for the camera housing on the iPhone 13, as opposed to a pretty similar color but shinier version of the frosted matte back of the Alpine Green on the back of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Comparing the two right there. And then it's no secret, you guys know I'm a huge fan of matte finish siding here, so if I had to choose one over the two, I probably still would choose the aluminum matte finish siding here of the green iPhone 13, as opposed to the stainless steel shiny siding of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but they are both squared off, and that's good enough for me. At least for now. And then of course on the front display of the phone, very difficult to actually see the color of the iPhone until you turn it over, so it's not like it's a distracting color there. So if you're trying to decide between the two colors, the best way I could put into words is that the iPhone 13 is more of a forest green, and of course because of that shiny glass back, projecting a little bit more of those green colors out when you're looking at it. Complemented with that matte finish camera housing area, and of course the matte finish sides. A definite darker green compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And then with the iPhone 13 Pro Max over here, it's definitely a darker mint kind of color. It's like a dark mint green. Alpine's a pretty good way to describe it, but kind of hard to picture. So if you picture dark mint in your head, that's kind of the color I'm picking up here. And then of course the Apple logo, big difference here. You have the shiny white Apple logo on the regular green color of the iPhone 13, as opposed to that shiny, but also Alpine green color, non-matte finish of the Apple logo on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick little unboxing / comparison video between the green iPhone 13 and the Alpine green iPhone 13 Pro Max over here. Let me know in the comments which color you like more, and if you're actually gonna be swapping out your iPhone for this color, or if you're cool with the one you have. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And per usual, if you guys wanna learn more about the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and especially if you wanna check out the new green and Alpine green colors, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone 13 and bmac.link/iPhone 13 Pro, bmac.link/iPhone 13 and bmac.link/iPhone 13 Pro, or of course there will be clickable links in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check those out. And with that having been said, I'm just gonna go stare at these both for like the next hour. That's what I'm gonna do, just like rotating it, looking at them, seeing how they catch the light, figure out which one I like more. I will see you guys in my next video. Can't see me, can't see me. Get it? Because Alpine green, green, forest. I'm in a forest, green, camouflage, can't see me. Stupid joke.